Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay. And of course, guys, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. This is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame and I'm using the 3M trend Milka custom made indicator right here. Okay, so this actually started a downtrend right from this resistance zone. If you remember, we actually milked this particular asset to this very end. Okay, so it has not been able to break out from this support zone, so it's trying to go back on uptrend. So for those that are having the indicator, I believe they should have plugged in their charts right now. Okay, so right here this has actually switched from the downtrend to an uptrend. Okay, so you can place your order at this point and of course set your stop loss right from here. Okay, so and here are the highlighted TPs which I have done. Okay, so this is a setup for a spike. Okay, for spikes trading. So we believe this should buy right from there. Okay, so this should be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The only reason why it will not buy if it breaks out below the support zone. That is when it will not buy. The next asset is going to be GainX 999. GainX 999 had been on downtrend right from this resistance zone. If you remember, also we also made this particular asset and we milked it till it got to this region. Tried to pull back, and of course, it is now going back to the support region. If it should break out below this support region, it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will switch back into an uptrend and it will buy more. But for now, it is still selling until it is unable to break out below it. Okay. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. This had been on uptrend right from here, okay? And it got to this region, played around there for a while, but broke out above it at this point to buy more. So it has gotten to a new resistance. It has not been able to break out from there. So I will quickly take it out. Take it to our 1 hour time frame to check out what is happening around there. Okay, you can see right here is the resistance zones. If it should break out above this, then it's going to buy more because we have free ranging area here. But if it does not, then we are most likely to have it selling for a while before it will make another attempt on that. Okay, let's go back to 15-minute time frame. So right now, this is selling at the moment. Okay, it might not be for long. Probably, it will be targeting this region. If it should break out from here, then definitely it is ready to sell more. But if it's unable to break out from here, it will go back up and try out the resistance zone again. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below that support zone which I highlighted. Okay, next asset is going to be Paynex 999. This is Paynex 999. Just the way we have seen this. This had been on uptrend right from here, got to this region, was unable to break out from there. So this actually went back on downtrend, and I actually dropped this signal within the Telegram channel. And of course, this happened to be the entry point, and the TP1, TP2, TP3 achieved, but it didn't get to TP4 before going back. Okay, so this is buying at the moment. Okay, so we should watch out for that. The next asset is the FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80, and of course, this had been on uptrend right from here, and it has gotten to this region. It has not been able to break out from there. If it should break out above this, it's going to buy more. But if it does not, then we are most likely to have a selling opportunity right from here. It is giving us a downtrend signal at this point, and of course, right there, you're going to see the tip of the red arrow right there. So which means this should sell a bit. Okay, so you can come in right from there. You can come in right now. I will advise you to come in at this spot. Okay, if you should break out from there, then you come in. Then okay, let me use this for your entry point. Sorry, so I'm going to remove this and use this for your entry point. Okay, and of course this should be for the stop loss. Okay, so however, if you should break out above the stop loss, I mean above the resistance zone, definitely it's going to hit the stop loss that way, and of course it means that it's still going to buy more. But if it does not, if it should activate this and sell more, then definitely we're going to make a lot of profits from there. Okay, so this is going to be our first TP, and of course the second TP should be somewhere here. The third one should be somewhere around here, and this is the fourth one, guys. And of course you can also highlight the rest. Okay, so I'm going to, okay, don't let me delete it, let me just bring it down here. Okay, so these are the TPs I have highlighted: entry point, stop loss, TP1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, this trade has not been activated to sell. Okay, so wait until you can set your order like this and wait for it to play out. If it's not going to switch over to downtrend fully, then it will go back up and it's your stop loss. Okay, so it is as simple as that. So this is still selling at the moment. Okay, so that is how it works, guys. That is how it works. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family.